Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today I'll be picking a master lock trigger lock, but I don't know the number for this one. If you do, please leave a comment and let me know. For this pick, I'll be using a 50 thou top of keyway tension tool, which is 1.3 millimeters, as well as a standard short hook in 20 thou or half millimeter. Let's get picking. So for this, per my normal, I'll start in the back of the keyway and work my way towards the front. All right, got a little binding. And just like that, got the lock open. And just to show how it works, if you like this comment, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel.